Hello friends, today we will solve the 16th problem of our tutorial series on dynamic programming, which is Paint House. And we will solve this problem in lint code because somehow this problem is presented in LeetCode for only for the Premiere account. So that's why I'm using it lint code. So let's go with the problem description. So we are given a row of n houses. For example, here in the input, there are three houses given. Okay, we can see that there are like three sub arrays inside this array, which represent three houses. So there are a row of n houses. Each house can be painted with one of the three colors: red, blue, or green. For example, this is represent the cost for red, this is for blue, and this is for green. And these three are parameters for one house. The cost of painting each house with a certain color is different. You have to paint all the houses such that no two adjacent houses have the same color, and you need to cost the least, return the minimum cost. So let's go with this example. So we are given three houses, right? As discussed that using this array, and 14 represents the cost if I paint the first house with red. 2 is the cost if I want to paint it with blue, and 11 is the cost for painting it with green. And if I paint it, say for example, if I paint this first house with red for 14 cost, then I cannot paint the second house, which is the next adjacent house, with the same color. It could be either 14, that is blue, or green. Similarly, if I paint this house with say green, then the next house, the adjacent house, is this one. I cannot paint it with green again. It can be only painted with blue or red. Okay, so this is the problem statement that we have to return the minimum cost. So from this example, it's given, the answer is given as output of 10. So it means that we paint the first house with 2, which is blue, right? So the cost for painting it with blue is 2. Okay, so now the second house, we cannot paint it with blue, but we can paint it with red, the first one, or the green one. And in the green, we can see that this is the minimum cost of 5. So that's why paint house 2 into blue. Sorry, paint house 1 is like this one. So green is 5. So 2 is first house with blue, which gives me cost of 2. And then second house paint with green, which gives me cost of 5. For 5 plus 2, 7. And the last house is paint house 2 into blue again, because once we have put as green, we can choose only blue or red, and blue is only 3. So 5 plus 2 plus 3 is 10. So this is the minimum cost that has been returned. So this is all about the problem statement. So in the next video, we will see how to solve this problem using the dynamic programming bottom-up approach. See you all in the next video.